People eat pumpkin and have no idea what it can really do for your health. I myself never imagined that pumpkin could do all of this. It is one of the best natural remedies on the planet. In addition to being delicious, it is incredibly powerful. But there is a lot of important information you urgently need to know about this food. It's excellent for improving blurry vision. It fights diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol. All these problems can be treated with pumpkin. You can even relieve the symptoms of gastritis by using pumpkin. And at the end, I'll show you the most effective juice in the world to control high blood pressure. Pumpkin is amazing and super easy to find in any market. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants, and also contains vitamins A, B complex, and beta-carotene. Its action against free radicals helps prevent several types of cancer, including lung, breast, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. And it's not just the pulp that is useful. The skin and seeds are also packed with nutrients, fibers, and beta-carotene, contributing to the health of your skin, hair, and especially your vision. Pumpkin can be consumed in several ways: cooked, blended into smoothies, salads, or even as a main dish. It also helps preserve food and improves bowel function. But be careful. Some people may find it difficult to digest pumpkin at first, so start with small amounts. Now, write down this powerful recipe to fight high blood pressure naturally. Pumpkin is one of the best foods to control blood pressure. Did you know that about 80% of the world's population has high blood pressure? And the most alarming part? Half of these people don't even know it. Do you know someone who had a stroke? Ask about the cause. The answer is almost always the same: hypertension. If you deal with high blood pressure, you are in the risk group, and pumpkin contains one of the most important elements to fight this: potassium. Look at the ingredients in your high blood pressure medications. Most of them contain potassium. Now pay close attention. Take a piece of pumpkin, cut it in half, and if it has seeds, don't worry. They are full of nutrients. Cut everything into small pieces. Put it in the blender with a little water. Blend well and strain. Now you have the most effective juice to naturally regulate blood pressure. How to consume it? Drink 1 cup a day for 12 days. The results will surprise you both in the short and long term. Pumpkin is the most accessible and complete natural remedy there is. In addition to treating hyperthyroidism, cholesterol, diabetes, gastritis, and high blood pressure, it strengthens the immune system and helps with muscle recovery. And as I always say, good health is the one that fits in your budget. If this video helped you in any way, share it with someone you love. That's all for today. A big hug, God bless, and see you next time.